Alright guys, Big Joe back in with another video, and today I have the LaTrax Rally Car. This is Trax's subdivision brand, or whatever you call that thing. But I got this rally car today because I've always wanted the actual Traxxas rally car. But I'm settling on this one because the price is just better. And for some reason I like smaller cars recently. Here it is unboxed. That's the car itself. It actually came with batteries for once. Probably the only Traxxas car that will ever come with batteries. The rally car body itself, nice blue, green, black. I like it. And probably just a standard TQ. But yeah, comes with that remote and a little charger for the battery. So I'm gonna go let that thing charge up real quickly, and then I'll go take it for a rip. Yeah, honestly, that's it, bro. It's a small car. It's fun. For the price, it's actually really good. It's fast. Really, honestly, I might use it when I'm around my niece. Like, it's just fun to use. That being said, the motor does like to overheat a little bit, but the battery it comes with is honestly really good. I thought the battery was dead, and when I went to go charge it this morning, it was already at like 3 pips. So the battery it comes with is perfectly fine. It's kind of just the motor that overheats a little bit. Also, sometimes the suspension arms do like to pop out a little bit, but it's literally a 3-second fix if you just pop it right back in. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, all that. Links down below if you want to look for the links. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, anything you guys want to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good one.